was streaming. Hey man, Brits. Looking for something to try. Go away. Go. You're not allowed on that side. There, you can stay on that side. There you go. Okay. Peru looking good. I missed the entry. Yeah, Dan, how you doing? The open wasn't too bad. Now we've got a little bit of a pullback. Like $14. 5-minute high is exactly 14, so it was rejected at 14. Not too, guys. Just tap the screen a few times, guys. Just need to get the algorithm pushing the stream out. We've not got a lot of people in the chat, so just tap the screen 10 times each, and it will help with the engagement. It basically increases the engagement and says to the algorithm, you know, this is a live active stream, and pushes it out to more people. How's your day been, Dan? Thanks, Alphabet. Thanks, T-Box. Appreciate that. So that just helps with the algorithm. Okay, let's see if we can get some. Too late. We'll get 5 cents then. So this break-in. Break even now. So the first thing you need to do, so I totally feel you there, Dan. Totally feel you there. And a lot of people, they start trading the sim and then they get their account and they go big size straight away trying to make money. that is the worst thing to do. So when you move from a sim, you're normally trading in a sim in a size of an account that you believe. Shut up. Size of an account that you believe is what you should be trading or what you would be trading. And then you, I'm just going to get rejected here, aren't I? But when you first, shut up. When you first come out of the sim and start trading your real account, you really want to size right down so that the psychological element isn't, the emotional element doesn't take over, because having money in is a huge difference. So size right down. Oh, I've got a couple of cents on that. Yeah, so if you're sizing down and you're looking at making $50 instead of $500, it's not great. What you want to do is get a consistent level of green and gains. Doesn't matter about the size. The only difference between making 5,000 in a day and making 50 in a day is sizing. So if you go with smaller size and manage your risk with the smaller size to start off with, gets you in the habit of managing with real money. And then you slowly scale up. You get kind of 3-4 days a week green, and then you can scale up onto the next week and go for a little bit higher, size up a little bit more and size into it. Well, a lot of people move from sim direct and maintain the same size, direct into a cash live account and maintain the same size, and the emotional element overcomes them. So that's why you really want to size down. I'm trading Veru all day, and it's even went short. And I'm thinking I'm going to go short again here. If this breaks new lows on the 5, I'm going short. What are we looking at here, FBK? We're looking at Veru. Veru is a biopharmaceutical, bioscience stock. So 91 is the high. Short this thing. So, are you creating your trade plan before you enter each trade, and that way you shouldn't be nervous, because if it goes against you, it goes against you. That's normal. But you exit at your stop loss. And the best way to do that is set physical stop losses on there, so the system will exit for you. And if it goes again, it goes for you. When you hit your target, just take half your position off and set your stop loss at break even for the rest. The red trades and the red days, they did when I started, but then you've got to accept that they're part of trading. You have red trades, you have red days. It's part of trading, and the same way, and it's just about how you manage it, how you manage the risk against it. I went short there. Let's see. Shorted Veru a couple of weeks ago and it worked for me, so I'm going to try again. Short it down, hopefully short it down to the VWAP. And we're at a support level here at 75 for three-quarter dollar levels. So write it down. Put your trade plan, document your trade plan before you start. Have all your tips on your desk to refer to. I just add to the position instead of making profit off. Good. Absolutely. You know, you have a trade plan, and then stick to it. Appreciate that, Dan. Really did. Like I say, I mean, if you want some personal mentoring, I mean, that comes with, you know, you get all that with the course as well, you know, and I'm happy to look into the trades you've taken and whatnot. First candle to make a new high, I exit. I'm gonna trade something different. I'm fed up with Veru. Yeah, well, the intent is to finish green. It's just finding the stock to trade now. Finding Indonesian Energy. Let's have a look. I've not traded you for a while. Traded your sister company a little while ago. Let's have a look at how is Husa doing. Yusa. The viewer. We're doing some nice highs. Damn, Veru. When I short, you go, you rally, and when I go long, you comment. Of 7. So. I was just short on Veru then. So I've been trading long and short. I've lost both ways on Veru today. I'm just gonna go short. It bounces, but got in there at 64, so high is 74, so I'll give it 10 cents. We were, and I've given it all back to the market. So 2K. We can make that up in the in power hour. $20.19. Not sure what that is. I know. I get it. You can't see the total. I'm long on Veru. All you can see at the minute. Next new low, I add to my position. Not enough buy. Yeah, I'm trading Veru. Hey, how you doing? It's slow going. It really is. Who said fear is a stronger emotion than greed? We're too close to the VWAP at the minute. That's what it is. We're too close to the VWAP, so it's bouncing on the VWAP, and I need to break below it. 1367. Oh, I'm shorting Veru. Coming down to the VWAP now, so you might want to look for a bounce around 1362, 1363, something like that. If it bounces on the VWAP, look for the next candle to make a new high to get in long. If it breaks the VWAP, short it like me. 1375 is a good entry long at the moment. It breaks the $0.75 level upwards. Spot on my glasses that it's getting in, it's distracting me. I need to wipe them. Camera's fuzzy. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Not a lot I can do about that, I'm afraid. Better? Pay attention to what you're doing, Tony. This is how you lose money. By giving more attention to the bloody stream and the chat than what you're actually supposed to be making money doing. Not having much luck with this at all. I just got out. It's driving me nuts now. What's going on here? That's why. Pressing the wrong hotkey. Doesn't help. Cost me 4,000. Having my finger on the wrong hotkey just cost me 4K. What don't understand? Hesitate. Right. What else can we make? What else can we get on? I'm not making any money with Veru today. Just going to write that off as a bad lot. Where's the momentum? where's my big scanner? No. You shorted Tesla and Microsoft this morning? In my glasses, and I can't see. Alright, we're going all in. Shut up. If I have to tell you again, you're worse than one of them stupid little moggies from across the street. No, Shando, I'm just looking at charts. Just thought it's better than watching the TV. I can just watch these candlestick charts form. Sorry, sarcasm isn't really a good form of wit, is it? Really? Enough. $74. I should say 75. There you go. Better. I should say 90. 40. That's better. More CD kicking in. Universal hesitate, doesn't understand. What is it you don't understand? This is setting up very bearish. We've got the flat bottom. $3/4 dollars. That's better. Yep. That's better. Big time too. Only 5 minutes to the close. We saw this flat bottom formation and it came back in another test and broke it, so that's where we went short. Let's get in support on the VWAP. Let's see it break the VWAP, and we've got the $0.50 to worry about. I always enjoy it. Break the VWAP. No, you know you want it. This one is 69, so 70 the exit. That was the VWAP. Needed to break under it. Not just bounce on it, but break under it. You can go on the balcony, just don't bark at anybody. Want to make back some of the today's losses. Not a good start to the week. SPY's back red, as is the Nasdaq. Yes. Nice flush, 20-cent flush would be nice. $60 to $40 in single candle. Here we go. How are we getting on? Who else has been trading today? Let me know. Let me know how you're getting on in the stream, in the chat. Tell me how you're getting on. Now let's use the VWAP as resistance. A little bit concerned about this $0.50 in support previously. I wanted to flush straight through it. I have this candle 59, so 60 is our stop. Yeah, well, my Tesla calls are virtually worthless at the minute. I've got 2 weeks to expire next week, end of next week. No, week after next. Got 3 weeks, but they're virtually worthless at the minute. I have this candle 54. Nice one, Toys. Yeah, I'm shorting Veru there, Jack. Let's see if it'll bounce on the VWAP. VWAP fade. It depends on the stock, and it depends on my equity position, and it depends on what my goal is. So that's a bit of a how long's a piece of string type question, that one, James, unfortunately. So if I've got right now I've got 7,500 shares short on Veru. Wondering if how long we've got left? 15 minutes. Can we get down to $13 here? Just big support at $13 earlier in the day. Not sure that'll happen. Bit of support here at the $0.5 as well. Oh, it's not been a good day for me. It's not going to be a good friend for me today, Jack. It was it's taken $7 off me today so far. But that's my own fault. I came in and started pushing the wrong buttons. I was about 900 down when I came into power hour, so I've just given back $5 grand. Holding this short pretty much into the close. See it rejected now at the $0.5 rather than breaking above it. Okay, let's keep falling. The whole market's getting washed into the close. If you look at the SPY, below 400 again. It's not huge losses like we had in the first 3 days of last week, but it's still a sell-off. Got support down here at the 1335-ish. Support earlier today. Oh, another 10 cents down. Yeah, and the market's continuing to fall now. The SPY, Nasdaq, they're all continuing to sell off now. Selling off into the last 10 minutes. Nice 20-cent drop will be good. I did. Most of that in power hour. I was doing okay up until power hour. If this breaks the $0.5, I'll take some profits. Almost $3 up on Veril at one stage. Long. Gave it back. I think I'm over trading at the minute. why I bought there, right under the VWAP. Resistance in its own right, and the 10 cent. You're going to have a bit of a rally into the close. I don't think so. Let's go. Breaks $0.50. I'll go short again. I did, yeah. This should break 13.49. That little bear flag. Ouch. Hey, look, Sam. I made quite a bit with it on Friday. So easy come, easy go, as I say, you know. Win some, you lose some. I'm gonna have to go and see the osteopath, I think. Not my back yet. This doesn't want to sell off. Trying to be stronger than it really is. 5 minutes to the close. Am I holding DTST overnight? Hell no. Wouldn't hold any of these companies overnight. They're garbage companies, the majority of them. I don't know what's going to happen to them overnight. A little bit of news comes out. I don't mind trading in the after hours, but I'm not holding it overnight. Hell no. swing trading something, I'll hold it overnight. If I'm investing something, I'll hold it longer, obviously. But none of these companies are swing trade material. Not at this price. Very not at this price. It was when it was a lower price, but. Here's the test. 5 minute bear flag. 5 minute bear flag. Is it going to break? 44 is the low, so it needs to break under 44. $45, 43, and it'll flush. I wouldn't say flat, but it's been a choppy day on the markets again. It's very, very sideways most of the day. Finishing down, it's the S&P's down a little over 0.5%. The Nasdaq's down 1.5% almost. The Russell 0.2%. So. They can recover that tomorrow, and certainly the rest of the week. Got 2 minutes left to the close. To see this particular candle breaking below 44. Set up that bear flag. Yeah, I absolutely do invest long term. Owen, it's what I do with my gains. Well, when I make them. Eating into my gains this month, that's for sure. Seconds. Okay, last 5 seconds. We're about to close the doors. And the doors are closed. That's market closed, guys. So the answer to your question there, Owen Jones, yeah, I have a portfolio. I've got some ETFs. I've got a small portfolio. I'm holding a couple of ETFs as well in my long-term account. I've got a retirement account with Interactive Brokers, which is where I hold most of my long-term gains in, or long-term positions in. trade a day trade with capital markets because I get more leverage, and then I take the gains. And I'm holding crypto long term. I've got a couple of ETFs which I'm holding long term. I'm holding my positions. A few stocks I'm holding long term. S&P 500 stocks. And to be fair with those, I don't even pay them much mind. I just, when I've got a spare few quid, I just add more. Doesn't matter what the markets are, because I know long term they're going to be good. Looking for a fall below low 40. Below here. 40. Looking for it to fall below 40. You know what? I think I've traded more after hours this last month than I have in the last year. Trade pre-market. I don't normally trade after hours because the spreads get quite rangy and the volume is just non-existent. Which platform am I using? DAS Trader. DAS is in direct access software. DAS Trader Pro. That's the platform. Not going to hold this for much longer. It's looking like it's trying to move up towards the VWAP. I'm going to hold it to the VWAP and then I'll cover. That's me done for the day. Yeah, well, I'll make it back tomorrow. And then some. So that's me done for the day. That's the market closed. I'll see you in the morning or afternoon or evening, depending on where you're sat. Just I will see you tomorrow. It'll be 1 o'clock London or Dublin time. It'll be 8 a.m. market time. It'll be whatever time your time. So enjoy the rest of your evening, guys, and I'll see you soon.